What if I told you there's a simple affiliate marketing strategy that, powered by AI, made me $3,000 in 1 week and $200,000 in 6 months? Today, I will show you exactly how I did it step by step, so that you can copy me and have the same success. This is not just an explainer video. This is a business opportunity. And I'm offering you a way to make thousands of dollars in affiliate revenues through a revolutionary, cutting-edge AI tool for YouTube automation. This is my proven blueprint to success. I will demonstrate the AI tool and an affiliate partnership benefits and setup step by step. And don't worry, you don't have to be a tech whiz. This AI tool makes it easy for anyone to use. And there's zero risk. This can all be done absolutely free, at no cost to you. You can do this today. It only takes about 30 minutes. So take on the mindset of success. You can do this. Follow my steps to success, and you could have the results I and hundreds of others made. Here's an overview of this win-win deal. In this video, I am offering you a lucrative affiliate marketing opportunity to you through Pictory AI, an AI tool that auto-generates high-quality, high-engagement videos from text with AI voiceovers for Faceless YouTube videos. As my Pictory sub-affiliate, you will make 20% to 50% from the sales you bring to Pictory. And I will earn 10% on all sales that you make. So we both win. And that's why I'm going to show you how to succeed. Since your success is my success, I will show you how to create an offer video that is as good as mine. This very video, the one you are watching right now, is my offer video, describing the product, affiliate program, and commissions. I'll show you how to create your own offer video to put on your YouTube channel and social media to make the same offer to your viewers. This will attract viewers like you, who want to make significant online income and achieve financial freedom. They will become your sub-affiliates and create offer videos for their own YouTube channels. They will make 20 to 50% on their direct sales. And you will make 10% on all sales that they make forever. By recreating my offer video and joining Pictory's affiliate partner program, you can follow my blueprint to success. Overview of the blueprint. Everything you need to do in 3 easy steps. Number 1. Become my Pictory AI sub-affiliate. 2. Use Pictory AI to easily create your own version of my offer video that introduces the Pictory product and affiliate program that viewers can join to make thousands in passive income and achieve financial freedom. Upload your offer video to your YouTube and social media. This will introduce your offer video to your viewers so they see how they can make significant income by using Pictory to replicate your video, becoming your Pictory sub-affiliate, to share their offer video on their YouTube and social networks. Your viewers become your sub-affiliates automatically when they sign up. And as they spread their offer videos, they make themselves and you wealthy. You've got the key to success. Your replication of my product, affiliate offer video serves as a powerful introduction to Pictory and its affiliate program, showcasing to your YouTube viewers a fast and straightforward path to earning money. By watching how quickly and easily they can create compelling content and become a successful Pictory affiliate, your viewers are enticed to follow in your footsteps. They will see the potential to replicate your strategy, creating their own product, affiliate offer videos and attracting their own sub-affiliates. Your viewers can start earning passive income by signing up, recreating your offer video, and sharing their affiliate link. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more opportunities. Now let's talk about your affiliate revenues. You start off earning a 20% commission for referring customers. Pictory is a subscription platform, so this is monthly and yearly recurring revenue for the life of the customer. And as you bring in more customers, Pictory rewards you by increasing your commission and giving you perks. At 50 customers, you make 30%. At 250 customers, you make 40%. And at 500 customers, you make 50%. Here's the money I made my first week, totaling over $3,000. Here's my earning for the first month, totaling over $20,000. From here, I started earning 30% commissions. And after 6 months, I earned over $200,000, and am making 50% on every sale. You win. I win. Your viewers win through the power of multi-tiered earnings. Remember, when your viewers become your sub-affiliates, you make money on the customers they bring in. Monthly and yearly income for the life of the customer. As your viewers join the Pictory affiliate program and prosper, You'll earn 20 to 50% on direct sales to them and an additional 10% commission on all sales your sub-affiliates, make forever. This is why I want you to be so successful, because your success is my success. And that's why you want your viewers to be so successful, because their success is your success. This strategy isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about building a community of successful affiliates, all leveraging the innovative features of Pictory to achieve financial success. So follow my blueprint to success. Now I'll tell you exactly what to do to take advantage of this offer now. Here's how you do it in 3 easy steps. First, you will become a Pictory affiliate partner, then prepare your script. And then create your offer video as your passive income engine on YouTube. To start, let's do the most important thing first. Sign up to be a Pictory affiliate so that your video can make you money. You'll get your own affiliate link immediately along with a marketing starter kit and a promo code to entice your viewers to act. Becoming a Pictory affiliate partner is as simple as clicking on the affiliate link provided in the description below and signing up. Pictory requires that you create a user login. You can sign up for a free trial without a credit card, or go for the full feature set of Pro for only $39 per month. Once you're on the homepage, click the Become an Affiliate Today button in the lower right-hand corner. There, you'll get your own affiliate link to put in the description field of your videos to start earning passive income. And you'll get a promo code to entice your viewers to save 20%. Next, you will prepare your YouTube video script. You can use ChatGPT to create your script in minutes. Simply prompt ChatGPT to write a 1,000-word description and outline this offer. Or join the Passive Income Now Facebook group to get my proven customizable script for free. Now we'll use Pictory to auto-generate your YouTube video in minutes. Simply click my Pictory link in the description below or go to the Pictory homepage. Then click the Proceed button in the pink Script to Video box on the left. Then enter your video title and paste the text from your script. Then click the Proceed button in the top right-hand corner. Pictory will build your video layout automatically. Review each scene. Make sure you like all the visuals. Change out any visuals you don't like. If you see a visual and don't think it matches the words, go to Visuals on the left nav menu. Search for what you want to see, and select a visual you like. Next, click Audio in the left nav menu. Choose or cancel your background music. Then click the VoiceOver tab. Select a realistic AI voice for narration. Now you're done. Click the Download button in the top right corner. Preparing your video may take a couple of minutes. When it's ready, download your video to your computer. Then upload your video to YouTube by clicking the movie camera in the top right-hand corner and put your Pictory affiliate link in the description field. To find out how to promote your video, join the Passive Income Now Facebook group for free tips and classes. Congratulations! Now your video is live and you're on your way to making a lot of money. Let's see if you can do better than me and make $4,000 or more in your first week. You're well on your way to financial freedom, but there's more to do. Share this money-making opportunity with everyone you know on social media. Find out how to get free automated email campaigns created by marketing experts to sell this opportunity in the Passive Income Now Facebook group. My free email marketing campaigns help people make 28% more on average. Now let's talk about making a compelling video that will convert your viewers. To make your video amazing, showcasing the features of Pictory, I recommend you use Pictory Pro. With the 15% annual savings and the 20% savings from my promo code in the description below, Pictory Pro is only $25 per month. Pro gives you superior videos, premium Getty visuals, and 11 Labs superior AI voices. Pro videos are the highest quality and most compelling for sharing this affiliate opportunity and showcasing Pictory's capabilities. I mean, do you want your offer video too?
Look and sound like this? Would limited visuals and voices work for you? Showing cat videos will not help you make this offer. No one would take your offer seriously, or think that Pictory is not a product worth representing, and your offer would be rejected. Free videos make less than 20% of what pro videos earn.
Or your offer video could look and sound like this, showcasing Pictory's cutting-edge technology. Showing your viewers Pictory's versatility and capabilities. Giving them a vision of how Pictory is what people want now. And showing them how Pictory is the future of video content for the world. And please use my promo code in the description below to get an additional 20% off. With the 15% annual savings plus my promo, you can get Pictory Pro at 35% off. This is something you will be able to offer your viewers as well. And with Pro, you'll be able to take advantage of the additional marketing opportunities I offer in the passive income now. Facebook group. So start affiliate marketing with Pictory today. Follow the easy steps I took, and you could make thousands of dollars in your first week and be financially independent in 6 months. Let nothing hold you back from realizing financial success through this offer. Time and money are not a factor. You can do this at zero cost, completely free. And it takes less than 30 minutes to set up. Join me in my success now. Click my affiliate link in the description below and get started. Sign up for Pictory now and become an affiliate partner. Imagine, you could make thousands this week if you just start now. I assure you I am here to support you. Join the passive income now. Facebook group, and I will email you a step-by-step guide along with my prompts, scripts, Pictory screenshots, and videos to enhance your sales video. There you'll also find tutorial videos and my courses. And I'll answer all of your questions. This Pictory-powered affiliate marketing strategy has been a phenomenal success for me and hundreds of others. I'm excited to share this opportunity and guide you through replicating these results for you. Click the link in the description to sign up for Pictory now. Your success is not only possible, but actively supported in the passive income now. Facebook group. Don't miss out on this chance to transform your financial world and make thousands of dollars this week. Click the link and become a Pictory affiliate partner now. I'm grateful for your time and trust, and I can't wait to witness your success. Let's start this journey together and unlock the doors to your financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to find more ways to make passive income now.